Molweni, kule video siqhubeka nesigama. In this video we continue with our vocabulary and we're looking at pointers. The first pointer we'll look at is that. So the first that we look at is la. La means that. Say for example you're pointing at an object, say that lanto, that thing, or lamtu, that person. Okwa, these are noun class 15 related type of pointers, and we will learn more about noun class 15. Esa. Esa is also another noun class. We will learn more about noun classes. So an example where you would use okwa would be okwa kutya, which means that food, or esa sitya, that means that dish. The next pointer is those, the plural of that. The plural of la is la, and the plural of eza would be, the plural of esa is eza. So like saying ezazitya, those dishes. Now ukutya doesn't have noun class 15 doesn't have a plural, so we use the same pointer for it. The next pointer is this. Le is the singular or the close of la, le. And also you could say lo for a person. Lo, lomtu, this person. Ogu, this is for noun class 15. Ezi, esi, this, again, it's another noun class, we will learn more about it. Wena, this is you, wena. You, yourself, wena. Salam kakuhle.